Where the lake meets the mountains, Vevey and Montreux rest like jewels on a silver shore. Vines climb the hillsides, while waters mirror the endless sky. Here, music drifts in the air, memories linger in every stone, and the soul finds calm between light and horizon. This is not just a place. It is a timeless embrace of Switzerland's heart.